Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip to the stunning city of Prague, Czech Republic. But guess what? We're doing it on a budget. Prague is an incredible city, but it doesn't have to break the bank. So whether you're a seasoned budget traveler or just starting out, this video is for you. We'll explore 5 amazing activities that will leave you with unforgettable memories. All for under $50 USD. Let's dive in. First up, we have the iconic Prague Castle. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a must-see, and the best part? Exploring the castle grounds themselves is completely free. Wander through the courtyards, admire the stunning architecture, and soak up the rich history. Just remember, specific areas within the castle grounds might require a ticket, but the free areas offer plenty to explore. Next, we're joining a free walking tour. This is a fantastic way to learn about Prague's fascinating history and hidden gems from a local perspective. These tours typically operate on a tip basis, so feel free to show your appreciation to the guide at the end if you enjoyed the experience. Time to refuel. Pack a delicious and budget-friendly picnic lunch and head to the serene Kampa Island Park. This peaceful oasis offers stunning views of the Charles Bridge and the Vltava River. Find a cozy spot on the grass, spread out your picnic blanket, and enjoy a delightful afternoon surrounded by nature. Ready for some breathtaking views? Let's hop on the Funicular, a funicular tram that takes us up Petřín Hill. The ride itself is an experience, and the ticket is super affordable. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the entire city. Don't forget to visit the Petřín Lookout Tower for even more stunning vistas. No trip to Prague is complete without experiencing its vibrant pub culture. Head to a traditional pub and try a refreshing local Czech beer. These pubs offer a much more affordable option compared to tourist traps, and you'll get to soak up the authentic atmosphere. So there you have it, 5 amazing activities in Prague that won't break the bank. Please like and subscribe for more.